What's up guys, welcome back to Rome's for you. Let's look at latest Pixel Experience Plus June edition with D8G 4.4 Rock Edition kernel. Before getting started, if you are new here, check out my channel for knowing more taste of my work. Subscribe if you like them. So, Pixel Experience is one of the most popular ROM around and users want to use. Even me as well as you knows that it is not something for game and the OS does not support most of the performance canons out there. I have installed D8G Rogue as pure kernel, not rooted nor using any D8G profiles. As you see, I am using Pixel Experience Plus. The ROM has 5th June security patch and by default it uses TWRP as kernel, but I am using D8G Rogue 4.4 now. Everything in this ROM is faster and smoother. I didn't face much of lag anywhere. It does has IR face unlock and works pretty neat. Not the fastest around, but it will do the job each time you try. Since I didn't root my device, the safety net checks passes and device is Google Play Protect certified. Running banking applications won't be a problem with this ROM. Since Pixel Thermal won't work anymore, the AnTuTu scores 3,40,000 plus and Geekbench scores for single core 491 and multi-core 2085, which are decent scores for Snapdragon 845. If you see, without D8G kernel, the AnTuTu score was 2,38,000 plus, which is pretty lame score for sure. Everything else in this ROM works pretty great. Fast charging is supported, decent battery backup if you did in game. Let's do a CPU throttling test now. The test lasted for 30 minutes and the ROM was able to keep the CPU usage near 2 lakh GIPS, which is really good for long-term performance. Now that the test is finished, let's quickly get into gaming test. VGMI bootcamp drop with FPS and screen recorder enabled. Meantime the gaming is going on, let's conclude the video. The gaming experience was good with this combination. D8G Rogue does its job pretty well for sure. The kernel was able to keep the FPS stable almost every time. Also no touch lags noticed, but not that great experience since I didn't rooted and didn't overclock the processor. If you love to use Pixel Experience ROM as a daily driver, this combination is something you should try. Hope this video was helpful to you. Nothing more, nothing less. That's it for today. Till next time, be safe and take care.